Hi everyone and welcome back to another series of V. In this video, I'm going to be taking you guys on the journey to a beautiful lake that I recently visited. I will show you all the sight and the sound of this peaceful place in Enugu. I hope you're going to enjoy the experience with me and make sure you watch till the end.
I know you told your friends.
So guys, here is the hotel and resort at Naked Lake, Enugu, Nigeria. This is the entrance. I actually love the chairs here. It doesn't look that modern, but then it's nice. Um in the hotel here they have about 210 rooms, so it could occupy a lot of people. Here is the chairs. I love the artwork by my left. It's so nice, and red is my favorite color. So stepping down the step, then going down the step. So by my right is a mini sit out. Probably let's assume that you lodge here, you could decide to come out and have one or two bottles. Okay, by my left you could see a very big restaurant inside. Okay, I didn't actually go inside the restaurant because people were actually eating and I never had plan on eating anything here. So let's get down to the pool side. I was actually feeling myself because I love the serenity of the environment, so natural and calm. There wasn't any noise here. So here is the pool. Here are the children swimming. They have the children pool and then the adult pool. So guys, here is the back side of the restaurant on my left. Yeah, I couldn't actually turn the camera to that area because people were actually eating and I would like to entertain people's privacy. So I decided to film myself by taking some pictures. You can see I love the green carpets here. I love everything about this environment. So calm. I'm actually come here to film yourself. People come here to take birthday pictures, picnics, and all.
Is that
So
the
this
lake?
is my favorite place.
Yeah, of
Here
course.
is the lake. Yeah, I was supposed to enter the boat, but man, I wasn't mentally ready for it. So probably next time, when next I come here, I'm going to take you guys as I take a ride with the boat here. Um, I think Nikki Lake is one of the most and the biggest, if not the biggest lake in the southeast. I'm not mistaken. Yes, and I was told that crocodile lives here. So be aware for those of us that would like to visit this environment. I love everything about this place. I actually spent hours sitting by the lake. I enjoyed the peaceful atmosphere and the beautiful view. I enjoyed the sunset over the lake. Actually, it made me to feel relaxing and rejuvenating. You can actually come here to escape the hustle and the boost of daily life. So right there is a tag house. As you can see, it's actually far from here, but I'm going to elongate. I'm going to show you a clearer view of it. The tag house is a unique and a cozy place to stay. It has a stone chair, and it's going to actually make you feel like a true escape from the noon, and it provides a unique experience. As you can see, you can actually have your palm wine here. It's so nice. So here is the bush bar in front. It's actually called the Omenala bush bar, and it has the best view to relax and to unwind. Actually, here they have lots of Igbo traditional dishes, so ranging from palm wine, unkobi, catfish, and the rest of it. Yeah, Nika Lake is one of the most popular tourist attraction in the southeast of Nigeria.
It's so
It
beautiful.
has the
Calabar.
biggest
Have you
landmarks
been to Calabar before?
in the
Yeah, I've been to Calabar, not
southeast.
like
As you can
this.
see, um,
This artwork here. Enugu State Community Music and CMC. It's no more functioning again. It's not as if that you coming here is my first time of coming to Nikele,
Okay.
but it's my first time taking a help me now.
Okay. Making a short, a video.
Yes.
Okay.
So
And you want to feed the you want to feed the environment too.
I don't want to do that.
So what do you have to say about the environment?
It's so natural and I love the serenity,
Okay.
the weather, the calmness. You know, it's not that noisy. So
Okay.
and as an introvert like me, I always love staying in a place that is less noisy and calm. I love the beautiful nature, the tree. Show the tree now.
The trees, the lake part.
The birds singing,
Yeah. You can see the wave movement of the water as well.
everything. So guys,
So how are you feeling now? Jumping up and down.
okay, guys, at this point, I've come to the end of this video. If you have any questions to ask or you make an inquiry about the Nikki Lake Resort, please drop it down at the comment section. I'm going to answer you. And please don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and of course, don't forget to subscribe and turn on